Sometimes we forget we can choose. Choose your food, your career. Choose a sport, a gift, a passion. Remember to smile. Love the friend. Find your direction. Choose a thought, the right word. Take a stand, a different point of view. Cherish the memory. Choose a fashion, a color. Dare to challenge. Have an attitude, a path. Find the tune. Choose a dance. Do you have a dream? Choose to imagine, to move, to be in the mood. Follow the rhythm. Choose a start, choose a place, choose a life. It's choice, not chance, that shapes our lives. At Palm Hills Developments, our one choice is to create all the right places for you to choose. Palm Hills Developments. Choose life.